Why the heck do people call their contractor first before they call their real estate agent when they go to sell their house? What's up, guys? Steve Bizzagani, Philly's real estate agent. Welcome back to 60 Seconds with Steve. Today we're going to find out why contractors are always called first before the real estate agent when people go to sell their house. So basically, it's because people want their house to look super nice. They think that they're going to make it all look super fancy and everything's going to look amazing. And then when the realtor finally shows up, they're going to be like, oh my God, this house is worth X amount of dollars, way more than it actually is. The only problem with that is that we as real estate agents, we don't dictate the market. We just tell you how much it's worth. We don't, we can add value here and there, but we can't drastically change the value of your house. So you should call your real estate agent first, not your contractor, because here's what you could do is you could actually use some of the things that you may have to fix. You can actually use as negotiation tools instead. You may not actually have to fix them, which in turn saves you money. So it's better to have the opinion of your real estate agent first, who will then tell you to call your contractor or not call a contractor. And finally, we in the real estate industry, we have a lot of connections to different kinds of contractors, and we will be able to refer you to a high quality, good, reliable contractor so you don't get screwed with a nightmare scenario contractor who screws you for a lot of money. We don't want that. So guys, hopefully you got a lot of value out of that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and you have questions about buying a home, selling a home, or just Philadelphia real estate in general, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out with any questions you have.